Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the kind of choppy videos here today, again, but that's what happens when you live in a super hot desert state. Right, pretty bird? Look at this, though. How beautiful does it look? It's gorgeous, huh? I love these trees, too. Look at that. Right, pretty? Yeah, Mama can't wait to have a little bit of land, a little less heat. Come on, pretty, let's get in the water. Yeah. Everybody wants to see you splashing. Come on. Are you splashing? And yep, I'm soaking my feet again. That's just what I do for my goose. Are you playing? You getting the water? Nom nom. So with everything going on in the world and all the bad news we get on the news, I just wanted to take a moment this morning and just enjoy what I consider to be a beautiful creature, which is my pretty bird. And for a moment, I invite you to do the same. See, Pretty Bird's got it figured out. She's not worried about what's on the news. She doesn't understand politics. She doesn't see color, race, ethnicity, culture, differences. She just wants to live her life, and she does so very peacefully, unless she's threatened by somebody. And she's playing. And she doesn't care if Mom's trying to say something nice. She'll ruin it with a giant wing flap. Or maybe even make it even better, right? I mean, that's what I really feel. What are you doing? See, she goes to her bowl to drink. Look at that. How funny is that? Now that is how you know your animal is spoiled. Are you playing? Bud, quick! Are you playing? Anyways.